I'm Jeff Stolman, founder of Rocky Mountain Technical Marketing, or RMTM. We solve difficult problems for clients across industry boundaries. For example, in 1980, I led a design team to develop a completely automated robotic factory to demilitarize every chemical weapon in the U.S. arsenal, safely deactivate both the explosive and chemical agents, and recycle brass, copper, and lead, all without human intervention. Weapons range from small arms munitions to bombs and spray tanks. Tonight, I'm here to tell you about our powerful supply chain integrity solution that can detect counterfeit and substandard products in the supply chain without having to perform product testing. Our team, my partner, Martin Mateve, and I, have decades of experience creating novel solutions to solve some of the world's most difficult problems. We have both been through the startup routine before and have extensive experience in the enterprise world where our solution applies. We've been working together developing this solution over the past 2 years. Technical expertise. I have been developing enterprise solutions for decades for firms that include IBM, Northrop Grumman, Oshkosh Truck, and Visteon, as well as federal agencies including the Army and the National Security Agency. As a polymath, I draw on my experience in a wide range of technical fields to cross-fertilize and imagine effective solutions to problems in other fields. Martin, our CTO, is a software architect who has the rare understanding of business to keep his focus on the underlying business problem, not just the technical issues of software. In program management, I'm the RMTM CEO. I've been managing projects, programs, and businesses for over 35 years. Many of these have been valued in the hundreds of millions of dollars, and I've had plenty of experience with P&L responsibility. So let's take a look at our solution. We offer firms and industries a way to detect counterfeit and substandard products in the supply chain before they become a public health, public safety, or reputational issue. We provide a software as a service or SaaS solution that proactively ensures that no supply chain firm sells more verified product than it manufactures or purchases. The SaaS model allows members of the supply chain to subscribe for a fixed annual fee that makes budgeting easy. Blockchain is a new technology that uses encryption to create a transaction log that is non-repudiatable. You might know about it as the technology that underlies Bitcoin. The solution can track every change in custody of an asset, giving us an immutable record of the provenance of any asset, both physical and virtual. Intellectual property is a key differentiator of our solution. Our solution architecture prevents access to the underlying data to protect confidentiality of competition-sensitive transaction data. We further secure the database to prevent anyone from accessing it directly. Data are available to members, regulators, and law enforcement only via predefined reports. In this way, company proprietary data is not divulged. The solution incorporates 2 patents, both pending. These patents supplement the public domain blockchain technology to provide the scalability and performance necessary to support the tens of thousands of transactions per second of widely diverse assets. To appreciate the value provided by our solution, it is important to understand the problem that we are solving. Industries affected by high levels of counterfeiting incur annual losses in the billions of dollars. They include some of the largest segments of the economy, including brand name luxury goods, electronics, food, defense, wine, distilled spirits, and pharmaceuticals. And the problems are global, affecting both developed and undeveloped countries. Counterfeit goods have wide-ranging impacts on public health, public safety, and the economy. More than 1 million people die each year because of counterfeit drugs. This is independent of the number of deaths caused by counterfeit food ingredients or product failures related to substandard products. In fact, counterfeit drugs account for up to 30% of the market in some countries. Counterfeit products in general may cost the global economy up to $250 billion a year, according to estimates from the Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development, or OECD. And in the U.S. alone, job losses from counterfeiting are now estimated at 750,000 jobs. Counterfeit products, especially electronic components, food, and medication, can also be used as a terrorist weapon. Of course, any opportunity this big has attracted attention from others, but there is no current solution. Many firms, especially startups, recognize the value of blockchain technology and are proposing blockchain solutions. All blockchain solutions are in early pilot stages, but to our knowledge, all fail to address the scale required for industry. Tens of thousands of transactions per second. IBM recently announced their ability to achieve 1,000 transactions per second under controlled conditions. We believe that this is 1 to 2 orders of magnitude too small for the market requirements. And one of our pending patents specifically targets high-performance solutions that can address industries processing billions of transactions per month on a global basis. Let's look at the drivers of our success and focus on those in our technical solution. Our solution is a proactive solution. We can detect suspicious transactions in the transaction phase before products reach consumers. All other solutions, including other blockchain solutions, are reactive and only support forensic efforts after a crisis arises. We also incorporate several techniques to keep competition-sensitive transaction data private and secure. We believe that data in our system is less vulnerable to attack, even by hackers, than data held in companies' own data centers. As noted previously, we have also built a solution that is scalable and supports the high throughput necessary for most large industries. And we secure our differentiators with patent protection. But most importantly, we know how to execute. The other drivers of our success are our team. I have already described our 2 founders who have both the technical expertise and the program management experience to bring our solution to fruition. But our team is much bigger. First, we align ourselves with a strategic partner. We recognize that a billion-dollar industry is not going to buy a solution from, quote-unquote, 2 guys in a garage. Accordingly, we partner with a major global enterprise with a strong reputation of being able to support large programs of this scale. This gives us another differentiator as well as large sales force. And then we team with industry. We are working with firms and trade groups in the various industries we're targeting to surface the gotchas that other solutions cannot address, building our credibility as we go. For further information, here's how you can contact us.